So class 8, today we are going to do letter to editor. Okay, so letters, you have done letters also, informal letters and formal letters. They are broadly two different categories of letters. One is informal letter and the another one is formal letter. Informal letters, they are written to your relatives, to your friends. When you want to give any message, you want to congratulate them, you want to show your grievance, or you want to show your happiness or sadness, you want to share your feelings. In case of informal letters, you are also using informal tone, right? You can use different kind of words in which you will express your feelings, right? But formal letters, you are bound to a formal tone. How you are bound to formal tone? Like that, you will only talk about to the point. You will not express much about your feelings. You will write what kind of feeling is there in connection to that of all the persons of the society. You are actually turns out to be a spokesman for those, right? So here today we are going to do letter to editor. As the name indicates, letter to editor, to whom it is written? It is written to the editor. Editor of what? Newspaper. It is written to the editor of a newspaper. Naturally, if you are writing for a newspaper, what kind of subjects can be taken in here? What kind of subjects? Yes? Right. It means that you will take up the problems. You will also express your unhappiness or inefficiency of the working of the other departments which are dealing with the life of the common people. Okay, and then you will also stand up, you please stand up, you first desk here, come along with your notebook, and you will also express your dissatisfaction with the prevailing system. Okay, then you want certain changes in it. When you have tried a number of ways and you haven't got any way out, then ultimately you are going to write down a letter to the editor so that it can be published in the newspaper. And then what will happen? After publishing, it will meet the eyes of the concerned authorities. So this is letter to editor. Okay, so what a letter to editor is? Okay, so let us write down. Okay, so letter to editor is written to the editor of, yes, write down in fair, of a newspaper. Why we write? To bring into light the problem of common people. It's not like that. You bring only problems here. Sometimes you bring to bring into light views about current issues or to give suggestions how a change can be brought, a change can be brought about in the system. Right? How a change can be brought about in the system. Right? So what a letter to editor is all about. Letter to editor, I told, it is written to the editor of a newspaper. Why? To bring into light the problem of common people. Okay, that common people, they are suffering from any problem and you want to bring into light that problem. Okay, and to bring into light views about current issues. For example, you want to express your views about some important things. Then what you have to do? You have to write down the letter to editor, or you want to give suggestions to that also. For that also, what you are writing? You are writing a letter to editor. Okay. So now you got to know what kind of letters are written in case of letter to editor. Is it clear? Next, coming up to the format of letter to editor. Yes, write down the format. Format of letter to editor. How you will write down the format of letter to editor. For that, first of all, write down sender's address. What you will write down? Sender's address. Remember that sender's address is always in 3 lines without any commas. First of all, for example, your house number, then the area dash dash colony, okay, and then the name of the city. Right? Without any commas, we are going to write down the sender's address in 3 lines. Okay? So, after writing it, you will write down, leave line here, write down date, then leave line, I said, date, and then the receiver's address. Now, what is the receiver's address in this case? Yes, the editor. The editor. Name of newspaper. For example, the Hindustan Times. कहाँ बेटा? यहाँ पे. Yes. And from where it is printing, suppose Chandigarh or New Delhi. Right? Okay? Clear? Then again leave line, sir. Okay, salutation, sir. Right, clear till here? Because the space is less, I'm going to rub it down. So first of all, what we are going to write down? Leave line, and then sir. Okay, next afterwards, we are coming to body of letter. This is body. How? Para 1, or which is an introductory para. Sorry. Write down subject also. First of all, write down subject. Or 1 minute, write down subject before. Before sir. Sir से पहले subject लिखो. पहले लिखो आप subject. And then write down sir. Yes. Leave कर लो one line. Leave one line. No. No need to leave the line. Okay. So subject, it should be related to the content. Okay. What it should be? Related to the content of letter. It should be short and precise, to the point. Okay, it should be short as well as to the point. It should be precise one. Clear? Right, sir. Then body of letter. First is your introductory para. In introductory para, what you will write down? You will introduce yourself. How you will write down the starting lines? Through the columns of your widely circulated newspaper, I would like to draw the attention towards the problem of, and then dash 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 dash. Okay, so these lines you will write down. What are the lines? Speak out through the columns of your widely circulated newspaper. I would like to draw the attention towards the problem of, then mention the problem. Okay, and write down, along with that, write down as it is affecting the people a lot. That's clear? As it is affecting the people. Give an overall view how it is affecting the life of the people. Clear? Next, para 2, that is main para. Main para here. Describe the problem in detail. Okay, you will give, completely describe the problem, how it is affecting the people. Okay, describe the problem in detail, give its effects, okay, and how common people are suffering. And how common people are suffering because of it. No, start one para. You have started from here. If you are starting from here, then leave line. If you are starting here, then next para here, then no need to leave line. Automatically demarcation is there. So there is no need to change. Right? So first two paras understood to you? Now see, if you are discussing a problem, right? Naturally, you will also give your suggestions. You will give the suggestions also. Now I'm rubbing it here. Now, para 3, here you will give suggestions. How this problem can be solved. that how this problem can be solved or sorted out. Right? You will give your suggestions. After writing suggestions, then you will come to the concluding para. Now in concluding para, what you will write down? In concluding para, you will make an appeal. In order to publish your letter, you will make a request to publish your letter in the newspaper. So how you will write down? Okay, so fourth, now it is fourth one. Three we have already: introductory, main and suggestion one. This is the concluding fourth one. Finally, you will write down the concluding para in which you will explain and you will request to publish your letter in the newspaper. So how you will write down? So I request you to give room to my views in your esteemed newspaper so that it can meet the eyes of concerned authorities. So that it can meet the eyes of concerned authorities. Or you can also write down, I request you to give room to my views in your esteemed newspaper so that the authorities can wake up from their deep slumber. Anything you can write down. So that the authorities can wake up from their deep slumber. Slumber means sleep. They can wake up from their deep slumber. Right? When it is written, so you have written everything, whatever you want. And next, complimentary close. What you will write down in complimentary close? Yours truly, and then your name. Yours truly, and then you will write down your name. That's fine. Understood how a letter to editor is written? So let us revise the format which we have done today. How you will start? First of all, afterwards I said wait, I said let Kritika come. Yes, first of all, yes, name. First of all, sender's address, then date, then receiver's address. In receiver's address, what you are going to write? The name of newspaper and then the name of the city. Okay, then afterwards, subject. Okay, subject should be precise, much related to the content of the letter. Then para 1, sorry sir, salutation sir. Then para 1, introductory. What you will write down? Of the concerned authorities towards the problem of this, right? And then main para. In main para, you will write down, describe the problem in detail. Then afterwards, para 3, which is suggestions, and then afterwards, para 4, concluding. How you will write down concluding para? True. I hope that you will publish my views in your esteem or give room to my views in your esteemed newspaper. Okay, that's fine. Now let us do one question. Write down. Write a letter. Yes. Yes, pair notebook. Write a letter to the editor of an English daily as there are number of loudspeakers sounding high volumes and affecting write a letter to bring into notice this problem. Write a letter to bring into notice this problem. Right? That's clear. It means that the loudspeakers, they are sounding high volumes for the day and night, and many people, they are getting disturbed because of this. And then you have to write down a letter to editor for this. Let us start. First of all, you will write down sender's address, right? Then you will leave line date, then leave line receiver's address, in which you will write down the editor, the Tribune or the Hindustan Times, then Chandigarh. Subject. What will be the subject here? Loud noise of complaint or loud noise of loudspeakers. Loud noise produced by the loudspeakers. Then, sir, first para, through the columns of your widely circulated newspaper, I would like to bring into light the issue of the high volume of loudspeakers during exam days, and which is affecting the studies of the children as well as the health of the elders. In one para, means main para, you will explain that what actually the problem is, how it is affecting. Okay, give a crux of the thing. Now para 2, we will describe problem in detail. Okay, so then you will start, like, due to campaigning of elections, the loudspeakers, they are playing various kind of slogans as well as slogans as well as loud sounds at high volume, which is affecting the studies of the students as the exam days are approaching and all the students, they are preparing for their exams. Due to this loud noise, they are not able to concentrate in their studies. Moreover, this kind of loud noise is one cause of noise pollution. How? As it is affecting the health of the old people who are not able to tolerate this high pitch of sound. Moreover, even the infants, they are not able to take a sound sleep, and which is also a great problem for the working parents. This problem is turning irksome as nobody is paying attention to this. Okay, so in suggestions, what can be written? I think that certain levels of voice must be fixed for election campaigning also. Moreover, the loud sounds played at DJs during late night, they should be minimized, and fixed hours should be, or the hours of the day should be fixed for playing of loud songs, right? And moreover, keeping in concern the health as well as of the youngsters, of infants as well as old people, and moreover the exam of the students, right? Certain strong steps must be taken by the concerned authorities in order to solve this problem. Okay, then afterwards, concluding para, I hope that you will give room to my views in your esteemed newspaper so that the concerned authorities can take necessary actions in this regard or to solve this problem. Yes. And finally, complimentary clause, yours truly, and then your name. Okay. So this is one letter to editor that you have to write down in your notebooks. Huh? Yes, format. पहले आप format लिखोगे, लिखा है आपने format, है ना? This is your rough notebook or fair. Don't do the things again and again. If you have fair, you would have completed the work here. And yes, go from that side. And one thing more, students, remember, when I'm checking the notebook, I will never accept that notebook जिसमें आपने पहले क्या किया और format लिखा, बाद में writing skill है ही नहीं. It means it is incomplete. Okay, there and then complete your writing skill. Complete your writing skill also, right? और आज ही जाके आपने क्या करना, you have to write down this letter. It will hardly take your 10 minutes. Okay, you will write down your letter, the work will be complete. And one more letter to editor we will do afterwards. Yes. No, English daily nahi likhna. Why? English daily or national daily, what it means? It means that the newspaper which is published in English and is circulating daily. This is just for a confusion for you people. बच्चे पेपर में ऐसे करते हैं, इंग्लिश डेली न्यूज और या नेशनल डेली लिख देते, देन वी पुट क्रॉस देयर. Hindustan Times, The Tribune, whichever newspaper you want, you can write it down. Right? Yes? Huh? The Tribune, yes, you can also write down. Okay? So that's all for today. Clear? And you have to write down this letter in your fair notebooks. Subject: problem of loud noise of loudspeakers or problem of loudspeakers.